Meaning of gabble.
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 Gabble. The word gabble is a verb that means to speak rapidly and incoherently, often in a way that is difficult to understand. It can also refer to the sound of birds or other animals making rapid, repetitive calls. When someone speaks with a gabble, they may be nervous, excited, or just talking very quickly without pausing for breath. This kind of speech pattern can be frustrating or confusing for listeners who are struggling to follow along. In short, gabble refers to fast, unclear speech that can be difficult to comprehend.